field, 8 information November 2353 Zulu. Wind variable at 5, visibility 10. Ceiling 3,300 overcast. Temperature 22, 2.15. Altimeter 2984. ILS runway 14 right approach in use. Landing and departing runway 14 right and 14 left. Simultaneous approaches in use to SeaTac and Boeing airports. Expect traffic above you on final. All inbound and outbound VFR pilots, please refer to the TAC chart or county website for new VFR routes. All aircraft feedback hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have November.
Boeing clearance 45569, clearance to Tacoma. Was November.
Calling for the clearance, say the call sign one more time.
FFL569.
45569, roger. Stand by, let me look through a clearance. The system hasn't put it out yet.
Okay.
It's to Tacoma Narrows, is that correct?
Yes, sir, going to Tacoma Narrows.
45569, Boeing clearance, cleared Tacoma Narrows Airport. Nirvana 1 departure, then as filed, climb via SID, Seattle departure frequency 119.2, squawk 4647.
Go to Tacoma Narrows Airport, Nirvana 1 departure, and as climb via SID, Seattle departure control frequency 119.2, squawk 4647 for 45569.
45569, read back quick, safe flight.
Thank you.
ForeFlight 569, runway 14, left taxi via Alpha. I believe the Cessna Alpha is holding for you.
Okay, roger, runway 14, left taxi via Alpha 45569.
Cessna 6 here, Papa, you holding for the twin coming up?
We are, can we get a 180?
6 here, Papa, ready to talk. Twins joining Alpha now behind them, make the 180 taxi Alpha.
Making 180, taxi Alpha.
Just save me on Mally.info.
Sure. Oh, that's the company that owns this airplane. Boeing Tower 45569, holding runway 14 left, ready for VFR. Departure will be staying in the pattern.
ForeFlight 569, Boeing Tower, squawk VFR, runway 14 left, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Squawk VFR, runway 14 left, clear for takeoff, left coast traffic 45569.
Have a 1961, traffic crossing your center line 3 miles ahead, left to right, no back stop.
Boeing Tower, Beaver 67679, Alpha 9, we're ready to go, green light departure.
Beaver 67689, Boeing Tower. For now, proceed straight out, runway 14 right intersection, Alpha 9 is clear for takeoff, call your left turn.
Okay, 679 are straight out, you'll call my turn.
ForeFlight 569, did you want a full stop?
Yes, sir, we're full stop, 45569.
ForeFlight 460, Christian 569, runway 14 left, clear to land.
Runway 14 left, clear to land, 45569. Coming down.
Information off.
Oscar now, current wind 2805, altimeter 2984. FFL 569, ground point niner.
Ground point niner, 45569. Boeing ground 45569, Alpha 7, back to runway 14 right will be IFR departure.
ForeFlight 569, Boeing ground, squawk 4647, runway 14 right, taxi via Alpha.
Squawk 4647, runway 14 right, taxi via Alpha, 45569. And ground 45569, is Ken working today?
Affirmative.
Can you tell him happy retirement, please?
We'll go. You'll talk to him on local. I'm 45569. I just wanted to verify, will you be ready upon reaching, or do you need a little time at the end?
We'll be ready upon reaching 45569.
Thank you.
Going target evening 45569, holding short runway 14 right, Alpha 1 ready for IFR departure.
45569, Boeing Tower, wind calm, runway 14 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 14 right, clear for takeoff, 45569. Live 40, 50, 60, guarantee.
FFL 569, contact Theater Departure.
Contact Theater Departure 45569, and this is Ken speaking.
Yep, sir.
Happy retirement.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Theater Departure 45569, 1300, climbing 2000, then mile 1.
Frontier Flight 569, tail departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4000.
Climb maintain 4000, so ForeFlight 569.
ForeFlight 559, roger, thanks, and advise when you have information, Yankee at Tacoma Narrows and say intentions.
Roger, I will call for Tacoma and climb maintain 4000, we will be doing a full stop.
Roger.
Thank you.
Frontier Flight 569, expect, correction, ForeFlight 569, expect ILS 17.
Roger, 45569.
ForeFlight 569, turn at left turn to 250.
Left hand turn, left heading 250 for 5569. Even though turning right is
2299, contact Seattle Center on 126.
But because they want to get us over CTEC, that's why they want us to turn left, going the further way. Get out, so we can gain altitude to cross over CTEC.
AC. Starwest 3447, Seattle departure, radar contact, climb maintain 15,000. 3323, contact Seattle Center on 126.6.
PC Boeing field to our right wing.
I see it. 45569, contact contact approach on 120.1.
120.1, 45569, good day.
Good day.
Good evening, Seattle approach 45569, 4000 flight 250.
45569 Seattle approach. Descend and maintain 3000.
Descend maintain 3000, 45569.
Four 55695 miles from Sin, flighting 200, maintain 2000, still established, cleared ILS 17 approach.
Flighting 200, maintain 2000 until established, clear as runway 17 approach at narrow 45569. Flights are live, flight smoke is alive.
45569, contact tower.
Contact tower 45569. Good evening, Tacoma tower 45569, outside of seeing ILS runway 17 approach.
Aircraft calling Tacoma Tower, take in your numbers.
ForeFlight 569.
ForeFlight 569, Tacoma Tower, continue approach, runway 17.
Runway 17, continue for 569.
Flight 569, runway 17, wind 210 at 8, gusts 18, cleared to land.
Runway 17, cleared to land 45569.
Cessna 904 Foxtrot, start left base turn, number 2, follow the Twin Star on a 1.5 final, runway 17. Wind 210 at 10, gusts 18, cleared touch and go.
Starting left beam, follow the Twin Star, and clear the touch and go, 694 Foxtrot.
Train, minimum, runway inside, continue.
Minimum.
Kayla.